avocado, spaghetti, eggs, freshly baked bread. Ooh yeah, nice mocha, and the real special stuff is that little bit of bacon there. Yee. Thanks, sweetheart. Hey guys, there's reality of having animals. One of my pigs, I think they've died or they're on the verge of it. So her name's Gypsy. That's the wild pig. Didn't grow that tall, but she's had one litter of babies before, and now she didn't come to eat yesterday. I just saw her in the background way in the far distance. She was walking very slowly and she didn't come over to eat. So today is I gotta go find her, see where she is, because she didn't come to eat today either. So I gotta go look for her, find her, and see what I'm gonna do with her. If she's sick, I've got to I'll probably just cook her up for the dogs. But if she's decent to eat, well, then she'll be dinner as well. All right, let's check, see what we can come up with there. Gotta find my way in there. I did go for a little bit of a look around this morning in there. Couldn't find her, but it was raining and whatnot. Finally, we got some sun. You know what? Close the front gate because this pig might come out of that fence. No, hang on guys. Louis coming in with me. Go check this. I had my palangi pig come into the manioke and I got Louis to try to train him to chase her out from over here, and he did that quite well. Even though the pig's bigger than him, he really had a good go. So it's good. This manioke is growing real fast. Look at him. He already knows what to do. But we're not going that way, boy. Going this way. See how the pigs dug all around. Luckily it hasn't dug up my manioke. So let's go find this pig. Because I don't want her to go to waste. She gets better. That's great. But she's going to die. Can't let her go to waste. There's my main concern. Hey boy. This one's 4 months old. This boy here. He's doing alright. I've got a dog from the first litter that went to my Pastor Mark. Man, that dog is a beast that went there. So I'm really glad about that. His name's Leo. I'll put up a photo of him, eh? Anyway, gotta get in there and go through all that grass to find out where this pig is. So I might just put my filming gear here. Hey boy. Put that there. Alright. Use my other hand. Film. Use my right hand to hold the machete. Yeah. So I looked through here and I just had my jandals yesterday on. Oh, this morning, sorry. Hey, stay there. Hey. Hello. Even if there was a pig in here, it's hard to find between all this grass. Is that her? Ngago. This guy, he knows my voice. Ngago. He was going to have a go at me. He didn't know who I was. Hey, Nago. Nago. Where's Gypsy? I can hear pigs, but I can't really tell what's what. That's Pepper. Hey! Ready? Pepper. So that's those two. Margot! Go away. Ah. Margot. Shh. Okay, I got my machete. Don't even go there. Pepper. Huh? Where is... Ah. It looks like they're protecting something here, so she must be around here somewhere. Hey? Move. So they've calmed down now, they know it's me. Hey, don't even go there. Huh? Oh. Well, sometimes he just barges through the grass. Doesn't know what he's barging at. It could be me. I'm just stepping on all the grass. Alright guys, so I think I've seen her. There's a little one. They're all here except for Gypsy. I need to find her. Gypsy? It looks like they're protecting her. Where are you? Huh? They got a bit upset. What are you upset for? Huh? Where are you, girl? Oh, that's Pepper. Alright, it's going to be harder than I thought. So I've got to go through all of that grass, all of that, to find her. Oh, she's not coming out. Not like these guys. Oh, got to wash my head as well. Coconuts above me. Alright. So this spot here was where we pushed all the bush and everything into the middle here. Made a bit of a mound. The pigs have dug it all out. Made a mud puddle there. That's the house from here. There's someone else's tower on the other side. But yeah, we've got to find this pig. Where are you? Alright guys, hopefully I'll turn it back on when I find her, eh? Alright, I found her. Not here, not him. She's over there. Hey. She's there. I don't know what's going on with her. She's got a shaky leg on the left, back leg. Hey? Unless she stood on something rusty, she's limping. Stood on something rusty and infected her foot or something. But she's not eating, so that's not a good sign. Huh? Where'd you go, girl? Huh? The only thing she'll upset the big male, if she upsets the big male, he sort of warns you of what's going on. Okay, so I don't have to kill her, she's still walking around. Her foot might be a little bit infected or something, but I'll leave it another day, see what's going on. Where are you? Oh, that's Pepper. You can hide in the grass easily. Just halfway all along, see that? In the grass. And the problem is, this fella can just walk up on you and nudge you, you don't even know it. Because the grass is so tall. Okay. Alright. Leave her be for another day. She's not too bad. But I don't know why she's not eating. What had happened? Not too sure. Hey Pepper. So she's okay. He's okay. Still haven't castrated this fella yet. And those guys who don't know, castrated, meaning taking his bolos off. You've got to cut them out so he doesn't become dominant like this fella. And he'll grow bigger and fatter because he's not chasing after the lady pigs. Yeah. Okay. What do I gotta get rid of that? So the cassava shades all the weeds, and then the weeds don't grow underneath. That's pretty cool. There's 2 coconuts I could, one there, one here. I'll cut those 2 up from up there. Hey boy, want some coconut? Hang on up. Alright guys, and 2 coconuts. No crack open. I've already fed them. Already fed them, so this is just extra. Let's see if that other pig comes out now. Just had a big feed, so that's why the stomach's all hanging out. So she hasn't shown up, just these 4 here. So the other female. Let her be for a while, see how she goes. There's Bluey there. See how my manioc has been pulled up, ripped out by the white pig. No good. No good. Gypsy? Alright guys, bye for now. Next job for today. Alright, bye. What I will do is get some cassava leaves from the cassava just here, or the manioc just here. On the left, for the pigs, and they love that. Hey. They love eating these leaves. Look at the cassava. Hey, go to that boy. Over. Move up. Alright. I'm eating the cassava leaves. I love that stuff. Alright guys. Alright guys, so the conclusion with the pig. I'm just gonna keep an eye on her every day. She starts declining even more because she's walking around. She's got a bit of a limp, but she's not eating. So this is the second day not eating. Tomorrow probably might be the decision factor, or the following day. We'll see. But yeah, the hard part is trying to get her over to a spot where I can get her over the fence real fast, or knock her out real fast before Ngako has a go at me, or the big male. So that's the issue. That's why I need a gun over here for things like this. Just to be able to take out decent animals, bigger animals, and for my safety, for not the other ones having a go at me. So yeah. So that's that conclusion. See how we go next couple of days, and we'll see from then. Alright guys, God bless. Take it easy. Bye for now.